Today we're planning the week of January 14th through 20th, 2019, and I'm going to show you how I plan in all three of my planners. As always, most everything will be linked below and on my blog, except the Tombow markers. To be honest, the numbers have worn off on most of my markers, so your guess is as good as mine as to which numbers those are. I'm going to start with some stenciling and distress ink. The stencil is from Walmart, and I'm not real sure if it's available online. If it is, I will add it in the description box and on my blog. When you're using a stencil, make sure you start with a clean stencil. Distress ink will clean pretty easily, but you do have to remember to wash it off. These alphabet stamps aren't available online, but you can sometimes find them in the bargain bins at Joann Crafts. This is kind of an inside look at planning for 2 blogs and 2 YouTube channels. I can put out a video for this channel in about 2 to 2.5 nights of work, which I do mostly for timely videos like my Plan With Me's. My other channel and most of my other videos for this channel, I tend to batch everything, and you'll see more about that in the mini. Am I the only one who still struggles with laying thin washi down straight? I did not like how that 2 came out. It looked weird. I used this box from the watercolor book to cover it up, and I'm just going to handwrite the abbreviation for this channel on the box. And that's a quick flash to my monthly spread to see what I've got scheduled coming up this week. I edited a lot of sticker hunting out. I love the Farmhouse Sticker Book. I hate that I want to hoard the stickers. I bought them, I ought to use them, right? I don't need a lot of check circles in this planner. I just kind of want an overview of the week. What do I need to do each day to keep business going, that kind of thing. If it's something that I do every day, I'm not going to put it in my planner. I'm just going to turn it into a habit. I'm still working out how to neatly use this stencil. Don't judge. I'll get there, I just need practice. Now we get to the mini, and I apologize, my camera didn't record about half of this part. I'm gonna leave the to-do section mostly blank. As Monday gets closer, I'll know exactly what I need to write in there. This is my air quotes after work planner that helps me make sure both of my blogs and both of my channels have new material on time. My traveler's notebook goes with me everywhere. Work, the dentist, hiking, everywhere. That way, if I need to add a meeting or an appointment or something, I've got it right there with me. In the traveler's notebook, I also track 8 to 5 objectives. Like on Monday, I've got to approve timesheets to keep the team happy. And at the end of the week, I'm going to have to remind myself to remind other people of things that they need to do. And throughout the week, new stuff is going to come up and I'll add that to the list. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video or got some inspiration for your own planner setup, be sure to hit that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you would like more information about this layout, be sure and check out the link to my blog in the description box below. And I will see y'all next week with a scrap with me.